Check your corners. Signal's unstable. Someone's jamming us. Then we're exactly where we need to be. Wait! Wait! Now! Air support! I'll handle it! Get him off the skid! You're done! The dry hump. The drive's missing! Say that again. Maybe it didn't survive the crash.
You deleted it. I saw the log.
I prevented a global panic.
Lower the weapon, now!
We've got minutes before backup arrives! Then don't waste them! It's out. Good.
In this video, you will learn how to create a cinematic action sequence from start to finish. From writing powerful scene prompts to adding dialogue, sound effects, and pacing that keeps viewers hooked. Let's get into it.
Go over to Pinterest. So this is how I write my prompt. So once you get to Pinterest, if you want a Nigeria movie, you can search for Nollywood movie, but I want to use a Hollywood movie. So I'm just going to search on Hollywood. So I want to create a Hollywood movie. I'll just search on Hollywood movies. I'll just search on it. Now you see different types of Hollywood movies. Now once I get the one that I like, I'm just going to click on it. So let's say it's this one. So I'm just going to click on it. See if I will see others I will prefer. So let me just choose this one. So all I'm just going to do is to download it. I'll just download this. And once I download it, I'm going to go over to ChatGPT. And once I get to ChatGPT, I'm just going to click on this plus button. I'll just click on the plus button. Then I'm going to paste the picture here. Now I'm going to tell ChatGPT to give me a prompt for this picture. Give me a picture prompt for this picture. So I'm going to wait for ChatGPT to give me the prompt. Now this is the prompt that ChatGPT gave to me. So I'm just going to copy this prompt. So I'm just going to copy the prompt. Now I'm going to take it to Gemini, then I'm going to paste it on Gemini. So I'm going to paste the prompt on Gemini, and let's see what Gemini is going to create for us. Now this is what Gemini created for us. So I can decide to tell Gemini to change the lady's dress to blue, because I want it to be a little bit different from the picture that I gave it, or the prompt that I gave Gemini. So I'll just tell it to change the lady's dress. Change the lady's dress to blue. So I'm just going to let it load. Now once it is done loading, you can see that it has changed the lady's dress to blue. So I'm just going to download this picture. I'm going to download this particular picture. Then we are going to go back to ChatGPT. Now once you get to ChatGPT, all you are just going to do is to come over to this plus button. Then you are just going to put the picture here. Now once you put the picture, you're just going to tell AI to give you, you're going to tell ChatGPT to give you prompts. Give me prompt or write a script, sorry, write script for this picture with different action scenes. So you see, with different action scenes. So let's see what ChatGPT will give to us before we edit it, if there's any need to edit it. So we're just going to let it load. Okay, I'm supposed to even add the meaning so that it will not give me something short. Now see what the ChatGPT gave to us. So these are the different scenes. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to tell ChatGPT to give me picture prompts for each scene. For a 30 minutes. If you want it to be 1 hour, your choice. 30 minutes video. So I told ChatGPT to give me picture prompt for each scene for 30 minutes. So this is the first prompt. So we're just going to copy them one after the other. So we're going to copy them, then take them to Gemini. So we're just going to select all, then copy all the prompts. Then we are going to take it to Gemini. Now once we get to Gemini, we are going to paste the first prompt. So we are just going to delete this part that we don't want. Now once we are done deleting the part that we don't want, then we're just going to cut out these ones that will be creating pictures for later. So we just cut them out. So we are going to send this to Gemini. Now this is the first picture. I'm just going to save this. Now we are still going to take this exact prompt to Grok and this one too. So we are just going to compare them to see the one that is going to give us the best. Why I like Grok is that Grok can give you 16:9 ratio for YouTube, but Gemini will not give you 16:9 ratio. So we just click on ask. So once you click on ask, or let's go to create videos, then we're just going to paste that first prompt, and let's see what Grok is going to give to us. So this is what Grok gave to us. I feel this one is even better. So I feel this one is better. We're just going to select the best from here. So we're just going to select the best from here. Now once we select this, we're just going to save it. We're just going to click on download to download this. Now we're going to go back to ask, then we are going to start dropping the prompts one by one. So since it's for YouTube, don't forget to add 16:9 aspect ratio. 16:9 aspect ratio. Don't forget to add it. Don't forget we are using ask. Now we are not using imagine, we are using ask. So 16:9 ratio. So we are going to send it. Now you are going to let it load. Now see what Grok gave to us. You can see how it's looking. This is really amazing. So it gave us two. So we'll choose from these ones. I think I prefer this one. So I'm just going to download this. So I'm just going to download this, then bring back the other prompts. So I think we should be using Grok. I prefer Grok to Gemini. Now this is the second prompt. So I'm just going to be sending the second prompt. Now you can see the picture that it gave to us. So I'm going to download this one. So I'm just going to create the other prompts, other picture prompts. Now then I'm going to pause the screen record so that the video will not be too long. Then once I'm done, I'm going to start the screen record. Now once we are done creating all the scenes with the prompt, so we're going to go back to ChatGPT. If we go to ChatGPT, we're just going to tell ChatGPT to give us audio prompts for each of the scenes. Give me audio prompts for each scene. So let me just see what it's going to give to me. Now we're just going to copy all the audio prompts. Then we're going to take it back to Grok. And we'll just copy it, then take it back to Grok. So from the first picture, this is the first picture, we're just going to drop it. Now once we are done, we're just going to come over to this place and download it. Now once we are done downloading it, we're just going to bring back the next picture. Now you just click on create video the way we did the other one. Then we're going to paste the second scene. We're just going to send it and let's see what it's going to generate for us.
Check your corners. Signal's unstable. Someone's jamming us. then we're exactly where we need to be.
Now we're just going to download this from here. So make sure this your speaker is not off. So we're going to download it.
Then we're exactly where we need to be.
So we're just going to download this. So once we are done downloading, I'm just going to turn off the screen record now so that the video will not be too long. Then I'm going to be doing turning all the pictures into video from this scene to the last scene. Now once you are done with the last scene, you're just going to take them to CapCut. Then we are going to join all the videos together. Now once you get to CapCut, click on new projects. Then you are just going to select all the videos from the beginning. So you're going to select all the videos. Then you're going to click on add. So now you're just going to play the video to see if it is okay. If it is not okay, you can edit it.
Check your corners. Signal's unstable. Someone's jamming us. Then we're exactly where we need to be. Wait! Wait! Now! Air support! I'll handle it! Get him off the skid! You're done! The drive's missing! Say that again. Maybe it didn't survive the crash.
You deleted it. I saw the log.
I prevented a global panic.
Lower the weapon, now!
We've got minutes before backup arrives! Then don't waste them! It's out. Good.
Now once you are done, you're just going to export it. So if there's any part you want to edit, like this first part, I don't want this first part to be too long. I'll just increase the speed. So I'll just increase the speed of this first one. So let's play it again.
Check your corners. Signal's unstable.
So I'm just going to export it. So once you are done exporting, you can use it for your YouTube video or any platform you want to use it for. So if you want to create a 30 minutes video, you have to create more pictures for the video.
If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up. I will see you in my next one.